Hey guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and I'm back with another hair video. So today I will be styling my hair with the TGIN Rose Water Styling Gel and Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm just going to get right into it. First, I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair. And then I'm going to be going in with my spray bottle to get my hair damp and ready for the hair product. And next I will be going in with my wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. So next I will be taking my Rose Water leave-in conditioner, and this is a lightweight moisturizing leave-in for soft, smooth, and frizz-free hair. And I love how this leave-in is extremely moisturizing. It has a lot of slip, and look at how my curls are popping. As you guys can see, I'm using my detangling brush to smooth out my hair. And next I'm going in with the TGIN Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. And this is a medium hold styling gel that reduces frizz, increases volume, and defines curls, kinks, and waves. And when I applied this gel to my hair, it didn't at all feel moisturizing. And it is a gel, but it definitely feels more water-based. So I wasn't really sure how my hair was going to turn out, but let's see. I was initially going to do a wash and go with these products, but it was late in the evening and I wanted to braid my hair up so I didn't have to worry about blow drying my hair. But I do want to try a wash and go with these products. So comment down below if you want to see a wash and go. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Alright guys, so I'm all finished and I'm just putting some gel at the top of my hair to smooth out the frizzies, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so it is the next day and I'm going to start to take my hair down, and my hair per usual is not 100% dry. I do not like blow drying my hair. So I'm just going to take it out and see what my hair is looking like, but honestly, it's looking pretty good. I mean, do you see that? Look at those curls. Look at that definition. I like it. Alright guys, so finally for my edges, I will be using the Arhgoat Perfect Edge Control. And I believe I got this from Amazon. And when I tell you the hold is amazing, my edges are not going anywhere, guys. And I made sure that I read the reviews and people were like, this is the best edge control I've ever used. And, you know, it really lays my edges. So I was like, let me try it. And they were telling the truth. It works. My edges are laid. You could see, look at how, look, my hair, it don't move. All right, you guys, so I really love how my braid out turned out, and I know if my hair was 100% dry, I would love it even more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.